Yes. The OSCE mission to BIH is very happy to support this workshop today, which is helping and supporting the government institutions to establish their integrity plans against corruption.
Misija OSCE u Bosni i Hercegovini ima zadovoljstvo da pruži podršku na današnjoj radionici koja ima za cilj da pomogne institucijama Bosne i Hercegovine u uspostavi njihovih planova integriteta.
As we know, these integrity plans should be drafted by each institution, and until now, not every institution yet has that. And these integrity plans may be a really important tool to assess what are those critical elements in the institutions where corruption might happen and how corruption can be prevented.
I kao što znamo, ove planove integriteta su bili obaveza svake pojedinačne institucije, međutim činjenica je da svaka institucija nije to učinila, a veoma su značajni jer ovi planovi integriteta omogućavaju da se sagledaju kritične oblasti u kojima bi se u određenim institucijama korupcija mogla pojaviti i s time ih treba razviti kako bi se ta pitanja obradila i kako bi se korupcija spriječila.
So fight against corruption is not just something general, something which is in the law and then nobody knows how to do it. It's a very practical approach. They are really concrete elements one has to look at when we are trying to fight against the corruption in different countries.
Tako da borba protiv korupcije nije samo općenita stvar koja je utemeljena u zakonu i tako dalje, nego je veoma tako da je to veoma detaljno pitanje u kojem možemo sagledati kritične elemente na osnovu kojih se možemo boriti protiv korupcije u svim državama.
For example, it's about recruitment, the recruitment of personnel to a public institution. It has to be open, fair and transparent. It's about procurement and how to buy things and make contracts for these institutions. It has to also be open and transparent.
Kao primjer mogu navesti prijem osoblja u javne institucije gdje proces treba da bude otvoren i transparentan i naravno proces nabavki koji također treba biti otvoren i transparentan.
And it's of course a use of budget. You know, many of these institutions, they will use budget for certain purposes. It is important to have clear guidelines and rules what is entitled, what is not. Public budget is not supposed to be used for private use in these kind of institutions or private gain of individuals. So these kind of really concrete elements have to be looked into when we are looking into the integrity plan.
Zatim odnosi se na trošenje budžeta gdje se treba navesti na što određene stvari, na kakve stvari neko ima pravo ili nema pravo. Budžetska sredstva se ne trebaju trošiti radi lične dobiti ili u lične svrhe, tako da trebamo imati veoma konkretan paket elemenata i smjernice utroška ovih sredstava.
Konkretno, zašto u Bosni i Hercegovini je ovako visok stepen korupcije i koliko smo daleko od perioda kada će građani vjerovati institucijama vlasti?
Well, I think now it is high time that authorities on different levels will start to build these mechanisms for fight against corruption and implement them concretely. That's the first step, because only then, gradually, when we see that these rules are there, they are obeyed, and there is prosecution against those who don't obey, only then can the trust be built little by little.
Mislim da je došlo krajnje vrijeme da organi, institucije vlasti treba da izgrade mehanizme i kada se građani mogu uvjeriti da mehanizmi postoje, da se provodi, da se poštuju i da naravno postoji i kazneni dio, tada možemo govoriti o izgrađenom povjerenju.
So, of course, it is, as was said here in introduction, it is partially the European Union legislation, which is also demanding, when BIH is harmonizing its legislation with the EU legislation, demanding these different measures. However, it is also really, as you said, it is also really up to, it's needed by the people of the BIH for development of the society to make sure that there is not waste of resources, and that there is an equal treatment of individuals, that not some people who are in the government sector that they can take something from the system. No, it has to be built an equal system and fair and transparent system.
I pored toga što je ovo obaveza koja se zahtjeva u okviru zakonodavstva koje treba biti usklađeno sa Evropskom unijom, također je neophodno radi povjerenja građana kako bi se građani mogli uvjeriti, kako bi bili sigurni da postoje jednaka prava, jednak tretman i kako bi bili sigurni da se određena ovlaštenja ne zloupotrebljavaju u privatne svrhe.